Welcome back again to Smart Up Your Life. Okay. Hi, I have newcomer in here. Hi. Could you introduce your name, please? Because you're a newcomer in here. Maybe start from you.
Okay, hello smart listener. My name is Farlaksan Saputra, but actually, yeah, you can call me Acang.
Hi, brother Acang.
Hi.
The next one.
Hello, smart listener. I'm Mutmainatu Safia. You can call me Ina, and I'm from State University of Makassar, or everyone known as UNM.
Okay. Hi, Sister Ina.
Hi.
Okay, I want to ask from brother Acang.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, today we're talking about topic body and mental health. As you know, body and mental health is really dangerous. Mental illness for many people have a problem with their psychology. So how important in your life for body and mental health for you?
Exactly, it's very important for us because if you have a mental disease, for example, probably you can stress and you can become as a crazy, right? And
Crazy? Wow, it's dangerous.
yeah, sure. Because this way, I do believe that we have to keep or menjaga in our mental, such as do something good. Like now, if you have a good environment, exactly your mental will be also follow. Like if you feel happy, exactly your mental will be happy also. Yeah, I think that's all for me about the mental health.
Okay, that's a good opinion from brother Acang. Thank you. We moved with sister Ina.
Yeah. In my opinion, I personally, in my family, I have an auntie who has a mental illness, and she cannot heal anymore because old people may be not aware of these cases, but I kind of relieved that that people in our generation lately, they already aware of mental illness, and not only mental health actually important for us, but also body health. And I personally think that that healthy is very expensive, because if you have a disease, or maybe you have an illness, you will go to a doctor and you will spend so much money. And I personally already feel it, because I've already hospitalized for 4 times maybe. For 4 times, because
4 times?
because of dengue
In
fever.
psychiater or what?
Not in psychiater, but in hospital, because of GERD, or maybe people know it as asam lambung. And also typhus, and also dengue fever. So I think
Just because mental health problem?
not
mental illness.
not only mental, but it's body health.
Okay.
And also some of my family said that maybe I need to go psychiater, because everything that I have very things to think, that and if I'm overthinking, then I will and my asam lambung will how to say it, kambuh. So and then I need some medicine to heal it. So I think it's very important to us, not only mental health, but also body health, because health is very expensive. So that's for me.
I think all people agree with your statement.
Of course.
Thank you. Move to brother Dafa. Have you ever have experience, maybe your neighbor or your family have mental health? Just tell us.
For me, not for me, but I have some experience when I junior high school. My friends got a mental health because they got bullied.
Bullying. Wow.
Now, bully is very dangerous for a student, because first they can get stressed, and then they can suddenly their activity not. What is
Focus.
not teratur.
Forgot it. Okay,
It's
then
okay, you say that.
not focus on the study.
Yeah,
and
okay.
then they got suddenly got sick for almost 1 week because they got bullied, and then they got trauma.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know, bully it's very dangerous for our mental health. Not only our mental health, but all of our activity can affect for our life.
Mm.
I think that's all.
Yes. Yeah, your experience from your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you know, bullying is really important problem. We have to pay attention about this problem. So many cases bullying can happen, not only in environment, school environment, but also in society.
Yeah.
Bullying.
Social media maybe.
Yes.
Yeah. Social media.
Yes, bullying not only just by but physic also bullying. Like how to say bullying in physic? Yeah, no, body shaming also bullying. Yes, even though in social media you had comment is also bullying. Yes. Okay, move to brother Amal. Have you ever seen brother Amal about the news viral in Indonesia about mental health is like about this mental health?
Oh, like like some artists.
Yeah, some artists or public figure.
Yeah, I've heard that news, but I'm not a big fan of that kind of news, so I do not follow. But I think the main reason why people like end their life like doing suicide, they decide to do suicide because
Wow.
of many pressure. As
Yes.
a public figure,
Yes.
a lot of pressure not only come from your family but also from your friends,
Yes.
fans, and also from many aspects.
Yes.
So because this kind of industry like demanding,
Yes.
they want you to perform whenever, even though you don't feel good, but they still want you to show your
Yes.
best. They don't really care about your mental health, about your physical health. They just want you to do what they want.
Yes.
That's why this is part of the risk of being in this kind of industry. And as you said, as brother Dafa said that his friend got bullied when he was junior high school, and I think that's also part of the factors
Yes.
of mental health. And then talking about mental health, body health, this is a really important thing, I think, because isn't it good if you can if you want to go somewhere and your body physically can support that.
Yes.
So I think that's why as our sister said that mental health and also body health, any kind of health is expensive.
Yes.
But I think it's really cheap in Indonesia because we have BPJS,
Wow.
So
Yeah.
so our government
support
already
this.
covered for us.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, sometimes if you see the artist, maybe you see it's happiness in the front of, but behind it's actually
happened
unhappy. Yes, unhappy. If you look artist is really perfect. Yes, you look perfect. Everything you have, especially for popularity, famous. But actually, they have mental illness.
Yeah, and also I just hit upon this idea like a lot of public figure, they don't have like enough time to sleep.
Yes.
Because they have to move from one city.
Yeah, so many
to another city.
schedule
Yeah,
they
so many
have.
schedule agenda and stuff.
Yeah,
That's also
I can feel it.
That's also part of the the reason why mental health exists.
Yeah, this is good. How about Brother Budi? Have you ever seen the news? Actors or public figure have a problem with mental health,
Actually,
mental
I have,
illness, mental
I
illness.
have seen and or maybe reading some about the news. One of the news I read. It was. Do you know the band Linkin Park?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
You
The
know, it was-
19 era.
Everyone knows
It's
about
one of the. It was one. It's one of my favorite band all the time. Yeah, the vocalist of Linkin Park, Chester Bennington. Like he decided to hang up himself at his home. After
Sorry.
hang up
Suicide.
Oh.
suicide.
Oh,
He did a
okay.
suicide. He hang up himself
Hang
at
up.
home. Hang up.
Oh, hang up.
Gantung diri.
Oh, okay.
Hang up.
New vocabulary for me.
hang up. Yeah, hang up himself at his home because I don't know the reason why, because maybe because one of his friends also hang up himself, like one of his friend did suicide, and at the time when he heard about the news, and he was about to perform at a live TV show.
Oh my god.
He's crying at when he sang a song about sad. It was a sad song. But he's crying
Sad song.
Yeah. So when he performed, he wearing glasses to cover the tears. To cover the tears.
Actually, I've never seen Linkin Park. Sorry.
Yeah. The really for me, they just released an album a few months before, and then the vocalist decided to hang up himself. So that was really sad for me because I'm really a fan of them. I really want to see them perform. And can't wait to see their new material of music. But honestly, and then he's not anymore with us. So I think it's really sad because some people maybe let's just say a comedian.
Yes.
Comedian
Yes.
maybe the actor Robin Williams, in the movie Jumanji, the first Jumanji.
Yeah.
He also always show a happy face, a happy face, but we don't know that. Just like Amal said, that we don't know behind the scene, after maybe he got home, he's crying, or maybe he's really stressed, so we don't know, so that's why for me, if you find your friends that under too much pressure or maybe you're stressed, go see them and let them telling you the stories, and just listen, and be a good listener. Don't give them advice. That's it.
Okay, thank you from Brother Budi. So for a small listener want to tell us about mental health, just comment on YouTube. Don't go anywhere. Okay, thank you.
Muka cemberut aja. Baru gajian kan? Iya, baru gajian. Tapi sudah langsung habis.